As you can see, I'm down in the guts of an i3 and I'm changing the cabin filters, otherwise known colloquially in BMW terms as the micro filters. And I'm going to show you something that, let's say 90% of mechanics get wrong. And the first thing most people get wrong is there's an arrow on the back of here. What's the arrow for? Well, the arrow is basically quite simple. With activated carbon filters, if you put it the wrong way around, it just won't filter anything, and all them stinky smells from outside will come inside. Now, there's not much room in here, but the second thing what people get wrong usually is they put them in like that, which is just a joke, innit? I mean, it's a disgrace. Someone's paying for this, and you go and do that. It's just pathetic. Here comes the second one. Let's see if they put it in the right way or not. Max gear. It's a cheap one. It's full of mould, probably. That's nice for my health, isn't it? It's so bad I can't even see what direction it's supposed to be. There. So that one was okay. Top one was the wrong way around, but that wasn't. So on the new filter, there's the arrow. We want it that way towards the heater matrix, which is yay way. So that's the right way. However, you've got this little tab here, so you don't want to put it in that way, because the next poor sod like me who has to take it out will really thank you if you put it this way, so we can grab hold of something and pull it out. So the trick with these is, once you kind of get them in, as you can see, I haven't damaged it. The trick with these is just to get them in, but if they stick like that, don't force them. Just wiggle them. Just gently caress them like that. Look, it's nice and loose. In, out, in, out, in, out. Throw it in with your finger like that. Tap, drop, done. Tap, drop, done. And this one, you want to go in at an upward angle like that. Again, a bit more difficult this one though. But again, same thing. Finger underneath like that. Massage it. Look, don't sprag it in. Look. Push. Plop. Smooth it with your hand. Caress it, smooth it and caress it like you would with your girlfriend. And get those flaps beautifully centered on the edge.